Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano pahadzirari 263 pano pachange ndichikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yezimbabwe. Uchiri munyowani pathis youtube channel kusubscribe mahara wetera on the notification bell so that pandinoramba ndichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera panapa uchange uchiona manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yezimbabwe. Saka ndatisubscribei, ndatilike this video, ndatisharei this video kune hama neshamwari. Vadikanise kuzoka munhu zvita manews updates panapa tinoona kuti kamabatanidza tinichiitira kuti muwane manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yezimbabwe. First update iaccident yaitika murodhi iyo inonzi Old Road Mazowe. Old Road Mazowe ndokwaitika chiitiko ichi. Tokumburoita zvatofuka comment section after wapedza kuona video. Asi muchiitiko ichi chatareceiver cheaccident iyi pafa vanhu ivo vanosvika 3. Chikoti rest in peace kune vafa, kune vakuvara get well soon, munopora nenyasha dzaMwari. Zvada kukuitira da kusei muchiona video, pedza kuona video tozvolofuka comment section bandarova last update futi rinorwadza. Ndatibonei this video.
Mana drive station mana. Bomdizo ndiri uyu ndiri coin ndiyo model. Akaita kama ndikazi. Ndiyapi. Amene nanga ichinde. Okumbera ukarowa sepo. Matoita mawana apa.
Last update ivideo remukadzi uyo anga achishungurudzwa kuSouth Africa. Mukadzi uyu anga aine nhumbu, anga achirambirwa kubatsirwa pachipatara chaaenda. Chinzi aiwa hatikwanisi kukubatsira, dzokera kunyika kwako. Ndozvakachiitika kuSouth Africa. Vadikani veruzhinji vari kunze, vari kune dzimwe nyika, vamwe vari kubatwa rafu, vari kuitwa senhapwa. Hongu nyika hadzisi dzedu, hakusi kwedu kwatakazvarirwa, but kana tiri vanhu vatema ngatidzidzei kubatana zvakanaka. Hanzi dzokerai kunyika yenyu, kunoku hatisi kuda zvekutokubatsirai, ende hakuna naambulenzi inouya ichikutakurai. Endai kunyika yenyu kuZimbabwe. Ndatinzwei zvizere. Much love.
Hey, get outside! Why are you running to the toilet, my sister?
I'll be like a phone. I will like a tongues.
Sisters, we are talking to you. Switch off the phone. We are talking to you. We are talking to you. Switch off the phone.
Are you here? Can you come closer?
Come closer. We don't want to shout.
The ambulances are passing there. We don't want to disturb.
South Africa is for the baby makers. You always come to South Africa to make babies. Why?
Why did you run away?
You make babies. Why?
Sister, when you were checking in the ward, when you ran away?
To the toilet. Why?
Even now, she ran again. She said, I'm coming, I'm going to the bathroom. She's gone. Now.
Can we have our
You think we are playing?
Can we have our medication? The one they gave? You did what?
There's no way they don't give you.
Well, what were you doing inside there? They helped you again.
That's already mad. You had blood. Where did you take them to? Because since you went to the
So you didn't get any medication, folic acid medication, nothing.
And then how much is the blood test?
Did you pay?
How much?
Did you pay? Is the blood?
You know it's how much? You know it's how much? Just for 7.
No, the blood test that you took.
I'm asking 7. And some of the questions that are
Okay.
okay. You know how much for blood test? To take blood test. It's more than 10,000 something here in South Africa. Go to the private clinic or any doctor. Well, now you do medical blood test for Mahala in our country. You know, we pay tax.
Is Zimbabwe paying South African government for your healthcare?
Sorry.
Mnangagwa is not paying
Or by
anything.
South African by association of black?
I even like brothers to sisters. That's That's like
Because live on it, they don't even
Yes.
and the you know what happens?
Can you go and fix your problem with Munangabo? Go to Zimbabwe. We don't want you anymore.
So start making arrangements. Let me say this. Now, today, when you get home, start making arrangements for where are you going to get that baby from? Where are you going to deliver that baby? Because here you are not coming. Pretoria West, you are not coming.
In our government,
We don't want you anymore. Start making arrangements where you are going to deliver the child, because here we don't want you. Yeah, you can go into Ramaphosa's house. He will help you deliver the child.
No, leader, even Julius Malema.
Yeah, yeah, even Julius Malema. Wrong person. Are you not pregnant? Are you not using our facilities free? Are you not using our facilities?
how much did you
What is wrong here? Because you are using our facilities. You are using our. You came with a bag to give birth. You are using our facilities. So we are not talking to a wrong person. We are talking to the right person.
You must go back to your country.
You came here to give birth.
We don't want you anymore. Yes.
Yes. So you can't say you are talking to the wrong person.
Which one?
Yes, I mean, we are in the wrong time.
You are here. It's you who are here. It's you who are here in South Africa.
What?
Does nothing. My dear. You are not a South African.
Yes.
As long as you are not a South African.
Especially you kill our brothers.
Yes.
Yes.
Your brothers are killing us.
Killing us.
Yeah, you will die for the Zimbabwe, for the Zimbabweans that are killing us.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Are you foreigner?
I'm not my country.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yes,